Hi guys, here 100 minus 20 is 80 divided by this 5 times 2. Here 80 divided by 5 is 16 times this 2. Here 16 times 2 is 32 is the wrong answer. As per the order of operation, 32 is the wrong answer. Now here we are going to introduce that PEMDAS rule. Here this is a bracket. Here it is multiplication. M stands for, D stands for division, A stands for addition, S stands for subtraction. Here multiplication divisions are equal priority. Also this addition subtractions are here equal priority. For this equal priority, we are going to introduce another rule called left to right. Now we are going to solve this problem in correct way by using this order of operations PEMDAS. Here as per the PEMDAS, here we are going to do this multiplication division first before this addition subtraction. So here multiplication division are here. So 100 minus, here we have both are equal priority, division and multiplication. For this we are going to solve here left to right. Left to right is this. So 20 divided by 5 is 4 times this 2. Now we have subtraction and multiplication. Here multiplication is higher priority than this subtraction. So multiplication we have to do this before this subtraction. So 100 minus 8. Here 100 minus 8 is 92 is the correct answer.